Where's Marco? Oh. Polo. Polo doesn't have, like, Polo won't record. It's so cute! We're about to film TikToks. Hey, smiski. Which one wants to go first?
Got it.
This way.
Alright.
Oh. Okay, I have to unbox it first. Or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? You could go 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I'm so blown out. Does anyone want to volunteer to?
I volunteer Marco.
No. Got it.
Got it. Kayla, you want to put it in my pocket? Squeeze it. Oh, it's okay. But I want to set the box. I got first. Work. It's Rihanna. It's Rihanna in the box. Wait. I want the trio. I don't want to do. I want the trio. And then we could all trade technically. Yeah, it's not the trio. Well, I mean, we could if we want.
Yeah.
Then we'd have to change the boxes because I saved my boxes. Okay.
This is the first time I'm doing this.
Yes. It's not my trio. It's so cute. Who wants to go second? Marco.
I go second. I don't know how to do this.
But Marco goes next because he has a different box.
Oh yeah, that's
So
right.
goes next.
That's right.
Where'd mine go?
Different.
It disappeared. Oh, it's right there. Okay,
Oh, you
so
got the dress.
I really want these two, the one with the computer and the one like teaching. Sorry, I knocked this over. So hopefully I get those two. Maybe. I wanted that one. These be the one I really want. Hopefully. I got the secret. You better be careful right now.
Oh my god.
I don't think I can beat that.
Well,
What do you want? I didn't get the one I wanted.
I don't care. I love them. You're so cute.
He's putting on pants.
Marco, you open yours.
How do I do this?
Push it.
That was sad. Yeah, that was sad.
Not like how I do.
Yeah.
Guys, I might go back and get another one. I want the one I want.
I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
I'm not spending another $70.
There's a free system.
I want the reward.
It's Sabrina Carpenter.
You ever tried this one?
Alright.
Okay, wait, which one did you want?
I kind of want this one or that one also.
Okay, wait, let me show you. He wants the
He wants the freaky one.
these two.
You ever
Okay,
tried
open
this one? I hope you get it. That'll be an inside joke for us.
Have you ever tried? This
I can't open it, guys. My hands are slippery.
You want me to like break the
Yes.
There's a little tag.
Oh, I am so.
Have you ever tried this one?
Here, put it there.
Yeah. Oh, are we supposed to put it on next to each other? Yeah. Wait, I want to do it with my locket. Okay. My locket. Which one's your favorite?
my favorite is this one because have you ever tried this one?
I like everything. I like Michaela.
I like the pants. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Bye, friends. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys, we got our food. Yeah. Okay, guys, we got our food.
Hi.
Okay, we're gonna eat now. Okay, so that was really rigged. Like very, really rigged. Oh my god, I forgot there's coffee machines over here. Ooh, I want to get that. Okay. Might be able to get that. That was my last one. Closest?
Yeah, to the hole.
Okay, let me go spend another dollar. Alright. These are so cute. Daddy! Give me that one more time, please. One more time. Claw machines. Oh, this one's so cute. But I don't want to, I feel like it's hard to get, right? This one? I could try. Gambling for more. Hold on. Please.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna take Trayson's advice and get the one closest. That's not gonna work. Dang. These are kind of hard to get. We're gonna watch Michaela because I don't want to get broke. I don't want to go broke, so I'm just gonna keep watching you.
I don't feel satisfied.
Give me. Give me my coin. Okay. Hold this. You got this. Hello, friend. Friends, what's going on? Hold on, let me try. Oh, it doesn't want to work. Oh, what the fuck? Got it. Dang, sorry. Yeah, I think it is hard to get. Let's see. It's a little duck. You're adorable. Get that, Michaela. But one more, please. Oh, did Danny get one? One more, please. One more. I feel like you should go for that one you were trying to get earlier. I feel like my dad. He always used to get claw machine prizes for me. Oh, more.
One more?
No, I have 3.
That's a lot.
I have 3. Trust. You gotta believe. Okay, we believe.
I think you should skip on this one.
Who got mad at that? Who got mad earlier?
What are these ones? All their faces are blocked. I can't see their face. How am I supposed to know if I want it? I see the one I want. Can someone try and record me? Wait, I'm gonna look under for any coins. You did? Wait. Here you go. Thank you.
I got a ring. Why is it
Okay, we found a free one.
Where did you find it?
This one's super cute. I think it's hot. Is that good? Bruh. Wait. $1. Okay, me and Marco
Teach
got.
me, teach me.
Me and
Teach me the best
Marco.
how to do this. We gotta go
Marco got
fast.
an extra one. Because we didn't have the one we wanted.
I know I got the secret, but I really want to. And I have a good feeling this one.
Hey,
Okay, I'm gonna
you
open.
first.
Okay, me first. I have a feeling this is one. Where got it?
Feel it, feel it. Oh.
I got it! I got
Oh.
it! It's pointing. You should keep that on there because we're gonna be doing some crazy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I swear. Fast. Pop it. Pop it.
Nope, that didn't work. It's called being a beginner. We all gotta start somewhere.
I know. Mine didn't even pop. Oh my god, I look so chopped right now.
I'm more shocked.
I think all of us are, dude.
Where's the tab? I've learned. Where's it?
Right here.
Why am I blind?
Yeah, I'm just hard to see.
Looking at the booty, I think I got.
Yeah!
I got this. Okay.
You got my back.
You're that cheap.
That's so cute.
Couple goals.
You're so cute. Cheese with my little friend.
Oh, I don't.
I'm so happy I got this. I
Yo,
needed
that
this
is
one.
crazy.
I needed this one. Okay.
Where's
I
my
kind of
bag?
want ice cream.
Let's go.
There's an ice cream place downstairs. Michaela.
Michaela.
Stop betting your.
Oh, it's still recording.
She's gambling away all her money.
No.
Gambler, professional.
I have $30 more.
Professional gambler. Professional gambler.
Let's try the one that wasn't working. Like,
This one's so cute, the penguin. Oh, the camera's so blurry. Don't spend any more money. We need ice cream. Why is my camera so blurry? Okay, so I fixed the camera. It's not blurry anymore. Well, Michaela fixed it.
Because it's hot.
Or you know what we could do? We could go. No. Let's go downstairs and get your guys' tongue
See,
hulu.
this is what it's called.
Tongue hulu.
Tongue
This is what
hulu.
casinos do.
Actually, I might not get it because I don't want to spend any more money.
Because I'm.
Michaela, you want your tongue hulu though?
yeah.
Okay, let's go downstairs for Michaela.
I'm not gonna get any because I want to save my money for something important.
And I already spent like $30 on smiskis. Like,
I'm just kidding.
3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Yes, yes. Grumble cookie. Grumble cookie. Yahoo! Hello and look. I bet some people watching this could guess where we are literally right now.
3, 2, 1, guess.
Can you guess?
Yes.
Guess in the comments.
Guess right now.
Right now. Right now. If you live in SoCal, guess. 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 Look at these two.
Hey.
Birthday girl. Where shall we go now? Downstairs?
Downstairs to get the puppet thingy.
Oh. Woo. Look what Tequila
Share the
got.
giant ice cream.
Tangaloo. Woo. Yeah, let's all share it. Get over it. You don't look gangster.
You're gonna like.
Not with that leadership.
Wait, I don't like anymore.
I don't know saying you
Oh my god, I gotta blur that. I just leave.
should. It just changed.
Yeah, we should get a swirl.
So we have both flavors.
I've never seen that.
We're splitting it 4 ways.
I know, but that's a lot.
In
I've never
cup.
seen that much on one cup. Like that's low-key cool. I'm gonna kill myself.
You just launched your spit all over.